Real talk. Have you ever spent hours making Instagram posts, dropping money on Facebook ads, and still hearing nothing? Like literally, not even a sympathy like from your mom? Same here. I've been there, and honestly, it almost made me quit. But there's one thing that's made the biggest difference in growing my candle business, and I didn't learn it from a course, a guru, or a $500 ad campaign. It was simple. People sharing my products with people they cared about. No tricks, no ad spend, just real support from real people. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how you can do the same thing. Not just for my brand, but for your own too. And let me be clear, this isn't about sales tactics or trying to recruit you into something weird. If you've ever believed in what we do here, spreading light, positivity, and purpose through fragrance, then I think you'll love this. Because this isn't a video about affiliate marketing, it's about growing a community, supporting small business, and turning word of mouth into a win-win for everyone involved. I'll tell you the full story of how I've wasted hundreds on ads and why I decided to launch an affiliate program that actually makes sense for both the people who love what we do and the entrepreneurs who want to be a part of something bigger. So let's get into it. If you're watching this and you've started a small business, especially a candle business, then you already know the grind, right? You're not just pouring wax, you're building a brand. You're the product photographer, the social media manager, the customer service rep, the label designer, the accountant, all while trying to figure out how to get people to your website. I used to think marketing was about posting pretty pictures on Instagram and hitting boost post. I thought, oh, okay, I'll run a few ads and the sales will roll in. Spoiler alert, they didn't. I've spent hundreds on ads that got me nothing. Not even a cart abandonment. And meanwhile, I'm burning out trying to keep up with TikTok trends, post reels on Instagram, answer DMs, and still have time to make actual candles. The worst part, feeling like you're shouting into a void. You're working your butt off and it feels like no one is listening. That's when I started paying attention to something different, something quieter, but a lot more powerful. People were finding my business through word of mouth. A friend told a friend, a cousin gave a candle as a gift, a customer tagged us in a post, and suddenly I had someone across the country placing an order. Not because of an ad, but because someone they trusted said, hey, you've got to try this. That's when it hit me. Maybe word of mouth isn't old school. Maybe it's the future for small businesses like ours. And maybe there's a way to build on that. Let me talk about it. Let's be honest, people are tired of ads. I mean, how often do you scroll right past a sponsored post without even noticing them? We're bombarded with sales pitches all day long. On Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, it's constant. So it's no surprise that people don't trust ads the way they used to. But you know what people do trust? Each other. If your best friend tells you about a product they love, you're gonna check it out. You might click on an ad, but you'll definitely click on a link someone you trust sends you. And that's exactly why I created the affiliate program for Nightlight Candles. Because I realized the real magic happens when people share their experience, not just a discount code. But here's the best part. Word of mouth doesn't just help me, it helps you too. So let's break this down. What if sharing something you already love could also help your business or your side hustle grow? Let's dive into who this program is really for and how it can work with your brand, not against it. This isn't just for influencers or people with massive followings. This is for people who genuinely want to be a part of something bigger. Whether you're a candle maker, boutique owner, a car detailer, or someone who just loves sharing things they believe in. You don't have to be a marketing expert. You don't need a huge email list or social media agency. You just need a voice, a community, and a desire to help others discover something they'll love. You see, this affiliate program wasn't built to recruit a bunch of salespeople. It was built to build a community, a circle of people who believe in spreading encouragement, warmth, and positivity. That's what Nightlight Candles is about. And even if you already have your own candle business or product line, maybe we offer something that you don't. Maybe you're not in the car diffuser game, or maybe your customers would love one of our motivational quote candles as a gift item. This isn't about replacing your business, it's about enhancing what you already do. You know, we're not just looking for people to sell our stuff. We're looking for partners who align with our mission, who want to make people feel seen, inspired, and appreciated. If that's you, you're already one of us. So how does it actually work? What do you get? What can you earn? And how do you start? Let me walk you through the nuts and bolts next and show you how simple it really is. Okay, so if you're still here, you're probably thinking, this all sounds great, but how does it actually work? Here's how simple I've made it. When you join the affiliate program, you'll get a special referral link, totally free to sign up. That link gives anyone who uses it 10% off their purchase, and you earn 15% commission on every sale made through your link. link. And it's not just a one-time click either. The cookie lasts for 30 days. So even if someone clicks your link today but purchases 2 weeks from now, you still get credit for that sale. Every time someone buys using your link, you'll get notified. And payouts are handled monthly, so you're not waiting forever to get your earnings. Let's say someone buys one of our car diffusers for $6. You get 15% of that. Now imagine they fall in love with the product and come back to buy a candle and a wax melt bundle for $40. That's $6 from one returning customer. Multiply that by a few supporters and yeah, it adds up fast, especially with little effort on your end. So how do you join? Just check the link in the description. It takes 2 minutes to sign up. And once you're in, you'll get that unique link and you're ready to start going. And just like that, you're a part of the Nightlight Circle. And if you ever need help, again, I'm just an email away. This isn't some faceless program. You're working with me directly, and I want you to succeed. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to feel cold or transactional. When it's built right, and when it comes from a place of purpose, it can be a powerful way to grow together. So if you believe in what we're doing, if you believe in inspiring others, spreading light, and sharing products that actually make people feel good, then I'd love to have you on board. Whether you've got a business, a brand, or just a heart for supporting small creators, this is one way we can win together. And who knows, maybe this will inspire you to start your own affiliate program someday, or launch a whole new income stream for yourself. If this helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. And if you're ready to join the affiliate circle, check the link in the description and I'll see you inside. Thank you guys for watching along. I want to quickly tell you about something I'm really excited about. It's called the Night Circle. It's my exclusive YouTube membership for those of you who want to go a little deeper behind the scenes. Inside the Night Circle, you'll get access to exclusive members only videos where upcoming I'll have videos that walk you through my exact suppliers I use for my jars, labels, packaging, stuff I don't normally share publicly. And there will be a lot more coming as well. And these are, again, exclusive to members only. You'll also be invited to our monthly live Q&A sessions where I'll answer your questions in real time and help you level up your own business. Plus, as a member, you'll get priority replies to your comments. So if you ever need support or want feedback, I'll make sure you're taken care of first. Your support through the Night Circle helps me continue making better, more helpful content for this community, and I'd love to have you a part of it. Just hit the join now button and I'll see you inside.